A big hello to all my wonderful KCET champions out there. My dearest children, the option entry link is finally active, but before going ahead with filling in your option, you would have to cross a hurdle, and that is to log in. And this year, there are so many changes around it. So you would have face verification, OTP verification, QR scan, this and that. So obviously, there are possibilities of n number of confusions, and I am here to dilute away all your confusions. We have tried logging in, we have taken screenshots, we would be showing you the step-by-step process involved such that there won't be any confusion and you can do things very smoothly. So you would have to listen to me carefully. Remember, this is for KCET 2025 aspirants, right? And for all the updates regarding this, right, how to do option entry and the mistakes to avoid, lot of things are going to come up. For that, you would have to subscribe to the channel for getting all the updates. Yes? So are we ready to begin? Let's begin without further ado. So first thing first, you would have to go to KEA's official website, my dear children. Once you land up over here, you have two options, that is language option. You can switch to Kannada or English, okay, in whichever language you are comfortable, you can click on that. And now click on admissions. Do you see this? You would have to click on admissions. Once you click on that, there are so many things that would be coming up, and you would have to click on UGCET 2025. Okay, after admissions, click on this. Now once you click on this, a new page would be opening up which would be having a list of notification. So over here, the first notification that we have as of now is what? UGCET 2025 first round option entry link. Okay, now when you click on that, what happens? Something like this would be opening up. So you would have two options. Okay, you can either log in using the QR code, and I'll be showing you where can you find the QR code. Well, it's on the verification slip. Okay, it's on the verification slip. You can find the QR code there. Now the second option that you have is you can log in with the CET number. Where do you find the CET number, my dear children? Again, in the verification slip itself. Okay, so as of now, suppose you have clicked on login through the QR code. In that case, my dear children, you would have to click on the start scan button. Once you click on that, you would have to show this particular QR code whichever was there. So as of now, we have masked it because it's someone else's data. So it will be there in your verification slip. You can have it on your mobile phone like this. Yeah, you can have it on your mobile phone, and basically if you're accessing through laptop, bring the mobile closer and you can show the QR code. Okay, it will take some time, please understand it, for getting verified. Now, once you have done that, it will automatically lead you to the next page. This is the second step. Okay, so you have scanned through the QR code, or basically you might have logged in through the CET number. Now, once that is done, you will get the next page which looks like this. You would have to verify the OTP. So basically, to the number that you have saved, my dear children, given during the whole process, you would be getting the OTP. You would have to put that OTP over here and then click on verify OTP. Okay, done. So we have scanned, or we have put the CET number, either way, and then the next step is that you would have to verify through OTP. That's not all. There is a third step, that is face verification. So over here, you would be guided to this particular page. You would have to click on start camera and you would have to show the face. Okay, once it does that, okay, then you can click on capture photo, start camera, and then you click on capture photo. Okay, first this and then this. Fine. Once that is done, once you have captured your picture would be appearing over here. If you want to recapture, you can do that again. Okay, then my dear children, after doing all this thing, again you will get an option to verify and log in. Okay, so the first thing, QR or CET number, then what did you do? Then basically you verified your OTP, then face verification is there. Again, you're clicking on verify and log in. That ends up a lot of things. So this is the third process. Now once you do that, you will be landing up to this particular page. So your face is verified, the OTP is verified, and the scanner or CET number is also being verified. Everything is being done. Now you are landing to this particular page where an alert shows up that all category candidates have to pay a non-refundable amount of ₹750. Please understand, it is non-refundable and it is for all category students. Okay, so 750 prior to commencement of option entry, and then they have to start entering the option. So only once you do the payment, then only you can access for the option entry. If you have already made the payment but the payment details are not updated, please contact KEA immediately. Click on OK. Okay, and then it will look something like this. When you click on OK, the alert would be gone. Here your name would be coming in, like welcome Shiv Shakti or whatever name is there. Your CET number would be coming in, your mobile number, your email ID, everything would be coming in over here. Okay, and on this side, my dear children, candidates option entry. So option entry link gets enabled after the payment of ₹750. Until then, it will be looking just like this. Okay, you cannot go ahead with option entry. So the first thing that you would have to do over here would be to pay online money. Okay, so you would have to click on that. Once you click on that, my dear children, your CET number, your candidate name, allotted college, as of now it will be all blank. Okay, allotted course and allotted college will be all blank because you are not getting, you have just started off the process, right? And receipt number, round number 1 would be there. Okay, round number 1 would be mentioned. Apart from that, this and all won't be there. Okay, now you click on pay online. Again, over here they would be mentioning what is the convenience charge and this and that and everything. Now going ahead, there is a QR code for scanning. You can show QR and continue and go ahead with payment option. Once the payment is being done, it will show something like this. Okay, done, and it will be redirecting you to something like this. You won't have to do anything, my dear children. Once your payment confirmation is done, automatically it will be going up somewhere over here. It will be showing, this particular page would be popping up. You would have to wait. It's a very slow process because lots of people are accessing it. Now once you click on that, remember over here, your payment against the KEA admission process is successful. Please note the order ID for future reference. So over here, your order ID would be mentioned. Make sure you're noting it down. Make sure you can download the admission order itself so you can keep it safe. Otherwise, if you're not able to access it, you can just click on print. Either way, that also works. Now, my dear children, again, you will be landing up to the page, but this time over here, remember the candidate option entry was not active. Now it will show the candidate's option entry is active. There will be a blue color link available to you. Further, you would have to click on that. Okay, and that is how you would be logging in and going ahead with the option entry. Now the next process, as in how to do option entry, that video would be done by Aishwarya ma'am. She would be showing you in a proper way. I hope you understood at least this much. Okay, you can properly log in. So that was the purpose of this particular video, and as I told you before, do not forget to subscribe to the channel for getting all the updates. And if you think that this video was helpful for you, what do you have to do? You have to click on the like button. And if at all, my dear children, if you have any confusion still lingering around, do not worry, you can just put it down in the comment section. We will be finding a solution for it. Okay, so please take care. Bye bye. See you soon.